Jigavol here. So working, getting the printer going still. Got a bunch of stuff that I've been printing out. Testing out some of these designs for migration. Them in this small pack out. This is a couple examples of what I would use it for and a couple of what some others. I'm working on a different design of these that are a little taller. You can see a couple things on these. I have had some of these little ones pop out, but they're also extremely small. But with this 4-way, that's sort of what they look like. That there's some of the 3-ways and the 6-ways. Most of the 6-ways and the 3-ways are just a remix design of Benjamin Johnson's. If you guys haven't seen him, he's Ben's Workshop at Electrosmith. I think on Instagram, Electronsmith. The bigger pack out, you can see something I was messing with, which is these cup inserts. This one's sort of a prototype. I got this one as well from Thingiverse. This is Impetuous GSX. So it's meant to slide down in these big ones and you can change the shape. They're a little tight at first. I sanded this down. I sort of over sanded it, but I'm just messing with the idea. You can put some stuff in there, fit it down, clears the lid, latches, no problems. Stuff stays in. So I'll keep working on printing. Have a good night.